A volatile session of trade is what we've seen today, where Nifty as well as Sensex ended absolutely flat. If you see in terms of Bank Nifty as well, that has clearly outperformed the benchmark indices in trade. And you had the pharma sector, which was the top gaining sector. Oil and gas also outperformed in today's session. In terms of broader markets, we saw gains of around 0.4% coming in there. So you had the mid cap as well as the small cap index, which ended in the positive. Real estate, which has been on an uptrend, actually saw profit booking in today's session. So that was an interesting one to watch out for. From the banking pack, you had HDFC Bank as well as ICICI Bank that were a drag today. In fact, it was the private banking space which was the top gaining sector yesterday, which did see some bit of profit booking that did come in today, and the PSU banking space was the top loser as well. Taking into consideration the other sectors, you had auto, which was down almost 0.2%, and the top losing sector in today's session. Moving on, if you see in terms of the top gainers and Nifty 50, it almost recovered 0.4% from the day's lowest levels, and you had Nifty, which overall ended below the 19,400 mark. Bank Nifty as well saw cuts of nearly 150 points. Sun Pharma, Dr. Reddy's, BPCL, ONGC as well as NTPC were the top gainers, whereas on the losing end, you had Bajaj Finance, Hero Motor, Power Grid, ICICI Bank as well as Adani Enterprises. On the back of an earnings reaction, stocks like Newland Laboratories, Trent, Arvind Fashion, Alchem Labs, Rolex Rings, Dhanuka Agri, RR Cables were in focus. In fact, HPCL rebounded in trade on the back of the second quarter profit that actually beat street estimates. Let's quickly look at the newsmakers. KPI Energy on the back of a LOA was up in trade. Cochin Shipyard has approved the stock split, so moves came in there. Alok Industries on the back of a fundraise was in focus. Royal Enfield has actually gone ahead and unveiled its first electric motorcycle concept, and ICICI Prudential was in focus. Volume buzzers, you had names like Greenply Industries, Nykaa, Devyani International, Bikaji Foods and Tata Elxsi saw some strong volumes in today's session. So clearly, we did see a lot of stock-specific action in trade today, and in terms of broader markets as well, they clearly outperformed the benchmark indices in trade.